Hi, I'm meteorologist Jacob Wycoff with a fantastic forecast. You're really going to like this. Temperatures this afternoon reached into the middle 70s throughout the areas right along the shoreline. But as soon as you got a little bit further inland, you can see Fitchburg, Lawrence, even Nashua hitting that 80-degree mark. I think we're going to be all near that 80-degree mark as we go into tomorrow. A lot of 70s as you get closer to the Cape and the islands. Still, though, a lot of sunshine in the forecast, and we do have some summer-like temperatures to add to the mix as well. 50s for our dew point, pretty comfortable for this time of year. Really no humidity to speak of. That's going to change for Wednesday and Thursday. We do add some humidity to the mix, and with temperatures reaching to near 90 degrees by Wednesday, it's going to feel hot, hazy, and humid, but we have a couple days to get there. High pressure dominating in the center part of the country. That northerly flow around the high pressure system is what is keeping us dry as far as our humidity values go. And we do have a cold front to the north of us. That's going to try to drop down and bring us some showers tomorrow afternoon, but by the time it reaches us, it actually fizzles out quite a bit. It's going to reach around the time the sun is setting, so losing a lot of its energy by the time it reaches us. You can see on our satellite and radar, not much going on. We can go ahead and turn the switch on this because there isn't anything happening, not even any clouds in the sky. Hour by hour keeps us clear as we go into this evening, into very early on Monday, waking up with a lot of sunshine on Monday, and then we start to see that front kind of trying to move on through. There it is dropping on down, but notice how by the time we get to about 9:30, already seeing it fizzle out quite a bit. So not expecting anything more than some showers north and west of town, especially as you go into Vermont and into New Hampshire. For most of us here in Massachusetts, remaining completely dry throughout the day on Monday and even into Tuesday before we have another chance of some showers, especially south of town this time around. These are all sort of diurnally based showers where they kind of heat up with the afternoon heating, but again, not expecting any widespread showers for Tuesday. Overnight, falling into the middle to upper 50s, 58 in Boston, a little bit cooler as you get away from the water, 53 in Norwood, 54 degrees in Bedford, but a lot of sunshine for tomorrow, and temperatures are going to get back into the middle to low 80s, at least along the shore, seeing low 80s, and then as you get closer to the Cape, the islands, we're going to see mid to upper 70s along those areas, and there is that chance for a spot shower north or west of town as we get into the afternoon and evening. Here's your WBZ 7-day forecast. 83 degrees for Monday, 86 on Tuesday, a little bit warmer for Wednesday. That's that summertime heat kind of returning, hot and muggy we'll call it. A chance of a thunderstorm Thursday and Friday, and we're going to keep some rain in the forecast as we head towards the weekend. Certainly a lot of time to fine-tune that weekend forecast, but you know what? Let's enjoy Monday and Tuesday, two back-to-back really nice days.